Hello, my Taino-Viking Warriors. How are we doing? Well, it's Saturday. I just got my sheets from the wash into the dryer. And if any of y'all ever lived on an island, you know you got to wait till your stuff is done in the washer to put it in the dryer because you don't want it sitting there for too long. Well, I'm going to walk over into town and try to get a burger. And I'm going to bring y'all along with me. We'll look down the bridge. Hopefully this time I'll actually have footage of it. And we'll get a burger, maybe a lobster burger if they have any. I'll walk down to the first place and we'll see what they got. All right, here we go. We are off base again, walking down the road, probably another 3 miles or so, depending on how far we go. And let's go get some food and see what we got going on over there, all right? Yeah, so here we're out at the creek now. Look how nice it is, nice and calm. Looks like the tide is out. Walk over to the other side. There's the bridge. Figured I'd do this off the bridge. That way, in case there's anybody on the bridge and everything, or driving on the bridge, then I won't be in their way. Yeah, there's a ship back there that hit the sandbar, got stuck, hasn't moved since. Nice and quiet, calm, beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Maybe next weekend we'll go over there to the yacht club and maybe we'll check out their food. I hear it's really good. It's just expensive. Looks like we got a ship. Oh, you gotta cross over here. Looks like we got a ship in. Somebody's down here visiting. We got two of them in actually. You got a sailboat. That sailboat was here last week, I think. I don't know. We had two. We had a big boat and a sailboat out here in the creek. This is where the ferry comes in for resupply from Nassau. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. It was supposed to be cold. It was supposed to be 50s, but I think it actually reached 68 or something like that. So right up here on the left, this is Klinger's, and I used to live right behind it a while back. Not this aired out building behind it, but over a little bit further down the road, there's some apartments, and I lived over there for a while when I first got here back in 2018. So here we are at Klinger's. This is one of the first stops as you come off the ferry into Fresh Creek when it comes time for Crab Fest. See, he's got his bar out here. They've got a bar inside. They sell food, little game room and everything. So let's see what we got. See if they've got it. If they got a lobster burger or not. Plenty of seating out here. Usually have a live music there during the summer and during Crab Fest and everything. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, so I got here. They don't have lobster burgers. They do have lobster, but it'll take a while for them to get it down. So we went ahead and got a Conch Burger snack, which is basically the Conch Burger with fries. So we got our food. It took about almost just shy of 30 minutes to get. Ginger beer for a drink. And here is a Conch Burger and fries. All right, well, now we're walking back over to the base. So the fries were regular shoestring fries, not much there. You know, add salt, they're halfway decent. Conch Burger was overcooked, had plenty of vegetables on it, although I do always forget to tell them no tomato because I'm not a tomato eater, so I had to pull the tomatoes off. And but I mean, it was all in all, it was decent. You know, total price was $19 for the entire meal. That's the burger, the fries, and the soda. Soda itself was $2. Oh, let me get off to the side. Monday off, so I might do another walk into town for a meal. It was close. Yeah, I'm on the bridge, so it's like really tight. So they get 2 knots slow down. So yeah, like I was saying, I come in Monday and either go to this 5 brothers, 3 brothers, 3 guys, I don't know what it is. Taino-Viking Warriors, look at this. I didn't see this last time I was here, which was last weekend. But somebody just put a doll in the rocks on the side of the road. Crazy.